Welcome to Quiz Zillion. Welcome to the ultimate movie and gaming would you rather quiz. Face 30 exciting choices, pick your favorites quickly, and see how your answers stack up with friends and fans. Let's dive straight into the fun. Here we go. Would you rather join Mission Impossible or race with Fast and Furious? Next up, would you rather guard galaxies with Star-Lord or power up with Thor? Fun pick. Would you rather watch Barbie or rewatch Oppenheimer? Epic choice. Would you rather rule Game of Thrones or House of the Dragon Kingdom? Hero time. Would you rather fight in Marvel or DC movies? Magical call. Would you rather live in Harry Potter world or Percy Jackson land? Gaming twist. Would you rather join Pokemon Scarlet or Pokemon Violet Adventures? Survival test. Would you rather outlast The Last of Us or Days Gone? Anime clash. Would you rather become Naruto or Luffy from One Piece? Thrill seeker. Would you rather star in Squid Game or Spooky Wednesday? Battle gear. Would you rather fight with a lightsaber or cast a magic wand? Retro fun. Would you rather team up with Mario or Sonic? Super tech. Would you rather own Iron Man's suit or Batman's gadgets? Shooter showdown. Would you rather survive in PUBG or Call of Duty Warzone? Fairy tale life. Would you rather join Frozen's Arendelle or Tangle's Corona Kingdom? Laugh and fight. Would you rather enter Shrek's swamp or Kung Fu Panda's valley? Big game. Would you rather play GTA 6 or Cyberpunk 2077? Space fun. Would you rather travel with Buzz Lightyear or cute Wall-E? Musical vibe. Would you rather sing in High School Musical or Rock Camp Rock? Superhero squad. Would you rather fight alongside Avengers or Justice League? Speed race. Would you rather dash in Mario Kart or burn rubber in Need for Speed? Wild adventure. Would you rather live in Jurassic Park or Kong, Skull Island? Cinematic magic. Would you rather visit Wakanda or the glowing world of Pandora? Multiverse power. Would you rather control it with Loki or Doctor Strange? Creative build. Would you rather explore Minecraft or Roblox worlds? Detective fun. Would you rather solve with Detective Pikachu or Sherlock Holmes? Binge time. Would you rather stream on Netflix or Amazon Prime? Sci-fi action. Would you rather be a Jedi in Star Wars or hero in Dune? Marvel Clash. Would you rather swing as Spider-Man or fly as Iron Man? Gaming duel. Would you rather be a hero in Overwatch or Valorant? Awesome picks today. Comment your favorite choice and final score below. Like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling movie and gaming quizzes. See you in the next challenge.